Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about bachelors in Germany. After 12th, you need to pursue your bachelors. Okay, so if you wanted to pursue bachelors in Germany, then you need to clear an exam which is TestAS. So TestAS is an aptitude exam. You need it for your APS and the university you are applying for. Okay, one more thing, that TestAS is only applicable for public university. You do not require it for private university. Okay, this is one main point. And the other is, so TestAS is divided into two sections. One is core test and the other one is subject specific test. What is core test now? Core test is same for everyone, but it depends on the subject you are going for. Now, what is subject specific test? So you have to choose a particular subject you are going to study. Okay, you have to mention in this section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. You can contact us if you wanted to enroll yourself for bachelors in Germany.